To access the Snapchat style map on Instagram, open the app and tap the messaging icon at the top right of the home screen. Once you're inside the Messages section, look at the top near the Notes feature. Right next to it, you'll see a map icon if the feature has rolled out to your account. Tap on that map icon to launch Instagram's new interactive map. From here, you can explore public stories, tagged posts, and popular hotspots similar to Snapchat's Snap Map. You can zoom in, drag to move around the map, and tap on active zones to view local content. What's more, you'll also be able to see the live locations of your mutuals and followers who have location sharing enabled, so you can know where your friends are hanging out in real time. If you don't see the map icon, the feature might not have rolled out to your country or account yet, so make sure your app is fully updated through the App Store. Once it's available, you'll unlock a whole new way to explore content and see where your friends are on the map. If this helped you out, smash that like button, comment below if you've got the feature, and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point Instagram updates and tips.